This 11-unit property features spacious 2-story, 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath townhome-style units.
Mary here from Southern California Apartment Group, and I'm joined by Shansha Bechin here, the listing agent behind this incredible portfolio sale. Shan, we just hit the market with a 6-property portfolio, multiple cities, 47 units total, all operating under the AB 1482 with no local rent control. And I know you're excited about this one.
Yes, very much so, Mary. So here we are at 11 units in Montebello. This is property number 4 of 6. Let's go take a closer look.
This 11-unit property features spacious 2-story, 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath townhome-style units, offering a highly desirable layout for long-term tenants. Positioned on a prominent corner location with excellent street exposure, the property benefits from an attractive building design and a large 16,417 square foot lot. First time on the market in over 13 years, this all-electric building presents strong in-place rents with approximately 39% rental upside potential. Tenants enjoy on-site parking, secured entry, private patios, and an on-site laundry room, generating additional income, enhancing both livability and operational value. Conveniently located near a nearby shopping center with major retailers, residents also benefit from close proximity to the Montebello Food Hall on Whittier Boulevard and the Citadel Outlets, offering a wide range of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. The property also offers easy access to the 60, 605, 710, and 5 freeways connecting to major employment hubs throughout Los Angeles County. And importantly, the property is subject to AB 1482 only with no local rent control, providing investors with added flexibility. This is a well-positioned asset in a strong and evolving rental market.
11 units in Montebello, what a gorgeous property.
Yes, this was a great one. Now it's time to go to the other part of town in Montebello. Let's take a look at number 5 of 6.